Have you ever noticed that many older women seem frustrated or distant from their husbands? The truth is, resentment builds up over time, and if left unaddressed, it can destroy a marriage. Marriage is supposed to bring companionship, love, and security, but for many older couples, things don't always turn out that way. As the years pass, women start feeling unappreciated, unheard, and emotionally disconnected from their husbands. They give their time, love, and energy, yet in return they often feel neglected or taken for granted. So why does this happen? What causes this hidden resentment? And more importantly, how can couples fix it before it's too late? In this video, we'll explore 5 major reasons why older women resent their husbands and practical solutions to bring back love, respect, and connection. Watch till the end because this could help you or someone you know restore a happy, fulfilling marriage. 1. Feeling unappreciated and ignored. One of the biggest reasons women feel resentment in marriage is a lack of appreciation. Women spend years supporting their husbands, raising children, and managing the home, but as time passes, their efforts are often overlooked. When appreciation fades, women start to feel invisible, like their hard work and sacrifices don't matter. A simple thank you, a compliment, or a small act of gratitude can make a huge difference, but many husbands forget this over time. The solution? Make appreciation a daily habit. Whether it's saying "I appreciate you" or doing small, thoughtful gestures, acknowledging her efforts will make her feel valued again. When a woman feels appreciated, she feels loved. 2. Lack of emotional connection. Many older women feel that their husbands no longer connect with them emotionally. Early in marriage, couples talk for hours, share their dreams, and deeply understand each other. But with time, conversations become shallow, and meaningful connection fades. Many men assume their wives know they love them, so they stop expressing it. Without emotional intimacy, even minor problems start feeling like major issues. The fix? Prioritize emotional connection. Husbands should actively listen, ask their wives about their thoughts and feelings, and show genuine interest in their lives. Emotional closeness is just as important as physical closeness in a strong marriage. 3. Unequal household responsibilities. Even after retirement, many women still handle most of the household work. The expectation that women should manage the home often continues, even when both partners are no longer working. Many husbands fail to realize that their wives are tired too, leading to frustration and resentment. The lack of help around the house makes women feel like they are carrying the burden alone. The solution? Husbands should share responsibilities. Helping with chores, cooking together, or taking on tasks equally can reduce stress and create a stronger partnership. A marriage should be a team effort, not a one-sided responsibility. 4. Feeling taken for granted in marriage. As years pass, many husbands stop making an effort in the relationship, making their wives feel unimportant. In the early years, there were romantic dates, sweet gestures, and affectionate words, but over time, these efforts fade away. Women start to feel more like a roommate than a life partner. A lack of effort in keeping the relationship exciting makes women feel unloved. The fix? Bring back the romance. A surprise date, a handwritten note, or even just holding hands can make a big difference. A marriage needs continuous effort to stay strong and fulfilling. 5. Emotional and physical neglect. Many women feel emotionally and physically disconnected from their husbands as they grow older. Physical affection, such as hugs, kisses, and holding hands, often disappears. Many husbands become distant, focused on work, hobbies, or routines, and stop prioritizing their wives. Women crave emotional warmth, yet they feel neglected by a husband who seems disengaged. The fix? Show affection and prioritize your wife. Compliments, physical touch, and daily conversations can keep love alive. Love doesn't fade with age, but effort must continue to keep it strong. Resentment in marriage doesn't happen overnight. It builds over time due to neglect, lack of appreciation, and emotional disconnect. But the good news is these issues can be fixed. By making an effort, expressing appreciation, and reconnecting emotionally, couples can rebuild their love and partnership.